Hi everybody, today I'm going to do the tutorial on corner to corner stitch. This is a little swatch that I made for the corner to corner. You start out with all increases, and then you work up to the decrease. Whatever length you want, you start there. Then you can start to decrease, and it'll figure out to make it a perfect square. So let's try this out and see if we can do it. First thing you got to do is put a slip knot. Then you're going to chain 6. 4, 5, 6. Now the 4th chain from the hook, you're going to put in a double crochet. And then the next stitch, double crochet. And the final stitch, double crochet. Okay, so now you have this little thing here. Chain 6, 4, 5, 6, go down to the 4th chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Well, after that, you're left with like 2 little legs. You're going to take the other side, flip it forward. You got a chain 3 space right here. Stick your hook in, do a slip knot, and you're going to chain 3. Put 2 more double crochets, 3 more double crochets in that chain 3 space. 2, 3. Okay, now that's starting the straight edge. Alright, because you got the straight edge, always remember, when it's a straight, you do 6 chains. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go down to the 4th chain, put in a double crochet. Double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Now you got 4 right there. Now you're going to twist your work again. Take your hook, put it in that chain 3 space, and slip knot. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Put 3 more double crochets in that same space. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Now from here you go to this other one at the end here. You're going to see the chain 3 space. You're going to do a slip knot, chain 3, yarn over, 3 more double crochets in that same space. 2 and 3. Okay, now as you can see, you got the straight edge here. Now to start the next row, you're going to chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, yarn over, 4th chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. There's one. There's the next one. Two, 3. Here's your 4th one. You got 4 there. Now turn your work forward. Chain space there. Slip knot. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now do 3 double crochets in the same space. There's 2 and 3. Follow this all the way over to the end in the chain 3 space, slip knot, chain 3, yarn over, do 3 more double crochets, and that's number 3. Now coming up to the other side, look for that hole, put your hook in, do a slip stitch, chain 3. Now don't get confused, this is the last stitch for that row. Now do 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, we're up to the straight edge again. To start the next row, you got to chain 6, 4, 5, 6. 4th chain from the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. There's 1. And the next one, put a double crochet. And the last one, double crochet. Alright, to start the next row, because now you got, say this is the next row, you're going to flip it forward, hook in that space, single crochet, chain 3. Now do 3 more double crochets in that same space. Alright, that gives you 4. Go to the next one with that spaces in it. Slip stitch. Chain 3. Yarn in. Double crochet. There's 1. You gotta have 3. 2. And 3. Very easy pattern once you get the hang of it. Flies right by. Slip stitch, chain 3, 3 more double crochets, okay. Now we're going to slip stitch, chain 3, 3 more double crochets. Okay, there you go. See how it's starting to form the square? Now we're going to decrease. After you do that last stitch on that row, you're going to chain 3, turn your work. In this first space, you're going to slip knot, chain 3, and 3 double crochets. That's 2, there's 3. Now do the same thing like I did before. In space, slip stitch. Now 3 double crochets. 2 and 3. Follow that to the end, and when you get down to here, I will help you out. Slip stitch, chain 3, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. The next space, slip stitch, chain 3, 1, 3, 4, nope, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochets. 2 and 3. Now at the end here, where it's straight, you are going to slip knot. You're going to chain 3, turn your work, slip knot, slip knot into that over there, chain 3, 3 more double crochets, slip knot into that space again, chain 3, 3 double crochets, 2 and 3. Slip knot into here. Now you notice you got 2 here. When you see those, that means you're going to be doing the decrease there. So chain 3, there's 2, and 1 more to make 3. When you get that done, you're going to slip knot into that top hole there. You're going to chain 3 and turn. Now you've got 3 points left on it. See it? So from here, find that hole, slip knot, chain 3, 3 double crochets, 2 and 3. Go to the next one, same thing, slip knot, chain 3, 2, 3. Now 3 double crochets, 1, 2, now you're coming up to where you got the 3 straights. You're going to slip knot into the top over here. You're going to chain 3. You're going to turn your work. Slip stitch into the next space. Chain 3. 2 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. So you got 4. Now on this one here, where this top hole is, you're going to slip knot into that, pull it through, and then you're just going to chain 1, tie it off, and there you go. You've got your beautiful corner to corner stitch. So just take your time. If I'm going too fast for you, pause it, back it up, watch it again, so on and so forth. So I think you'll like this stitch, so go ahead and try it. If you have any problems or any questions, comment me below and I will see if I can help you out. Alright, well, thanks for watching. You take care and have a great day.